Everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of REDnote. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.